Hey guys, welcome back for another video on 5 different busy bag or busy box ideas for young kids. Some educational and just fun things. Throw in your purse, throw in the diaper bag for when you have those appointments or church or whatnot. So let me show you what's inside this video's 5 new ideas. So the first one that we're going to do here is a little bit of color matching and just fun. And so I've got popsicle sticks, and I also have some little felt, or in this case foam projects. I've done felt in some, foam in others. But I take the popsicle sticks, I write on there with a Sharpie, and then I tried coloring like with a crayon. I don't know, it's faint and it's hard to make it not bleed. But I took some foam, I keep wanting to say felt, but these ones are foam, and just hand stitched it for fun. And you just sandwich 2 pieces together so you've got that little pocket there, and they can just match up the written or little colored color with the appropriate popsicle. So a fun little activity, pretty easy for even little ones to do. Next up is a great activity for kids learning their colors again, but also reading and just a hand-eye coordination thing again. So I've got these cards, wrote the word yellow, colored it, and also on the other side in Polish, it's my second language, there's żółty. You can do a bilingual practice. So green, zielone, red is czerwone, black is czarne, white is białe, and blue is niebieski. So obviously you can do Spanish or French or whatever other language you want, but just kind of a fun idea. You can make these a little nicer by printing them out on a computer and laminating these. I just wrote by hand and used packing tape to laminate, so pretty low tech there. And then you can take these multicolored paper clips and just clip them on the papers as a good sorting practice. Next up, we have got some lacing cards. So again, taking some foam that I had and using just a simple hole puncher, I made different shapes out of the different colors and just have fun lacing them. These are not as sturdy as even the ones that I made on another video out of Kleenex box. So something that's going to be out of like chipboard is going to be a little more durable, but these are fun. Not too much fuss to make, really easy to just freehand and cut out. And then you can take simple yarn and you can make it into lacing thread just by using glue on the ends. I explained it a little bit more in my Kleenex box video where I showed how to make lacing cards, so I will link down to that below, or you know, with that little eye in the sky, that's where that'll be. So just fun to lace. I don't know if you guys had these as kids, but they're a fun little distraction. Next up, I was trying to think of what to do with all of those little hole punch of foam, so I made these. It's just a simple matching game. And last but not least, here we have some popsicle stick puzzles. So they take up such little amount of space, and it's fun because you can just customize these. You can do an actual picture. I did stickers because I had them on hand to use. But take a few popsicles, lay them out, and then you'll put your stickers or decoupage on a picture, and then you will take an X-Acto knife and just slit down the sides to make them separate pieces. And the fun thing is popsicle sticks are 2-sided. You can do one on each side. That makes it even harder because you have to see what's what puzzle you're working with on a 2-sided. So it's kind of fun. I just wanted to show you little stickers that I did on mine. The kids could even color their own sort of drawing and decoupage it on there, something like that, make it more personalized. So these are my 5 ideas for this video. If you haven't checked out my other busy bag video, make sure to check that out, see those ideas. And if you're interested in more DIY things for kids, definitely check out the playlist that I've listed down below. I appreciate you watching. As always, make sure the kids are monitored, that they are not going to be choking on anything. I am assuming you were all responsible. So I hope you enjoyed this. If you are not so much into all the kids stuff all the time, I've got lots of other crafting and cooking videos. Please check them out, subscribe, thumbs up. See you later.